Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts. I hope you've had a wonderful holidays period. Uh, we've had school holidays in the UK, and it's about to be the start of a brand new year. So, welcome back. Okay, so let's resume from um, the beginning of August so that we can basically get a picture of what's happened. So previously we had this range leading up to 111k. We saw the breakout in July and the move back down again. Basically, so that move back down again brought in breakout buyers. Previously, they had not had a chance to enter the market. The price simply moved up, did not retest, and just moved up to the previous all-time high of 123k. Came back down again to allow breakout buyers to enter the market. So we had this retest here, a successful retest. This is where the whales basically enticed the breakout buyers to enter the market, and that was not enough, obviously, because price moved higher, and then we had another breakout. So one breakout allowing breakout buyers to enter the market. Now some breakout buyers will wait for double confirmation. Okay, so here we had even more entries into the market, another breakout, and this basically took those buy orders. Okay, the buy orders, where did they have their stops? Well, if they're not tight stops, they would be here. Okay, so then what did the whales do? They took price down, took out those sell stops. Okay, remember, sell stops taking out, which means that the breakout buyers in both instances have now sold to the waiting buyers, who are the people that manipulate the market. Okay, so they sold. Breakout buyers are now out of the market. Okay, now there will be some breakout buyers who entered here. Where did they place their stops? Well, here. Okay, so what do you think's going to happen next? um, so price moved up, and to be fair, we were thinking that maybe this is going to hold. So 114k, we were expecting that to hold. Okay, but the whales had other plans. So the whales basically took price down. Anyone who bought here had their stops taken out, and then eventually, bang, another set of liquidity sell orders were waiting here below this level, and now virtually everyone who bought above this level here of 110,000, virtually everyone there has been taken out. And who's bought all of that lovely liquidity, lovely Bitcoin? Well, it's the whales again. Okay, we've seen this pattern before. Okay, I won't take you back to it, but we have seen this pattern before, and we've seen the market being taken higher and then taken lower, and for the whales to allow buyers to enter the market, and then to take their stops immediately, pretty much. So this is now just a beautiful setup for the whales, because they now have the liquidity that they wanted. They've taken all the other participants out of the market. Now, where will these breakout buyers now want to enter the market? Well, here, okay, and higher. Okay, so this is now a setup where virtually only the whales are in the market, and they are able now, with the liquidity that they've already taken, they've got their bags full, and they are now in a position to now sell at higher prices. Okay, so it's a game that's being played here. Really, people say strong hands. It's not really about strong hands. It's about grabbing as much liquidity as the whales can, and then selling to people who now are suffering from FOMO. Okay, they're going to be, well, they're not yet suffering from FOMO. Now they're suffering from, oh, we've been taken out of the market. But when the price is driven higher, above the current all-time high of 124k, they are going to be suffering from FOMO. Okay, they're going to be buying, and they were right to buy previously, in our opinion, at these levels, but they've been taken out of the market. Okay, so they're going to end up buying at higher levels, and it could be much higher levels. Okay, so really what we can look at this as is all basically accumulation. So whales have had a plan to accumulate above 100k. So this has all been accumulation. Now look at this here, because this is interesting as well. So we had strong buying here taking us up to 110k. Okay, back down again, and more accumulation. Okay, and so these guys, the whales who accumulated here, what have they done? They've pushed price higher twice, and then basically come back down back into that same range again. So this range here, if we can grab it, so this is their accumulation range. Okay, so let's just say all of that. Okay, so what they've done is they've basically ended up buying at roughly the same price, okay, that they wanted before. Okay, so this is accumulation here, and then other people entered the market, and what did they do? They drove back down again, price back down again, back into their accumulation range, this range here. Let's just highlight it in blue so it's really clear. Okay, so now they've ended up buying again in their accumulation range. Okay, so now they are in a great position. It could be that they can drive price lower if they need to, but I don't think that they need to now, because the breakout buyers are out the market. They've sold, they've sold. The buyers that bought here have sold as well. There's just no need to take price lower. Okay, the whales have already bought at this level, above 100k. They've already accumulated in this range, and they should be set now to allow price to move higher. Okay, I hope this helps. If it does, please give the video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe. Hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts, wishing you every success. Take care of yourself and your crypto. Till next time. Bye bye.